Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up and use Siri on your iPhone. Siri is Apple's virtual assistant, and once you learn how to use it, it can help you with everything from setting reminders to sending text and even controlling smart home devices. Let's dive right in. To start using Siri, the first thing you need to do is activate it. If you've never used Siri before, let's walk through the setup process. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on Siri. Now, here you'll see several options for setting up Siri. The first thing you want to do is toggle on Listen for Hey Siri. You'll also want to enable press side button for Siri or press home for Siri depending on your iPhone model. This allows you to activate Siri manually if you don't want to use the voice command. Now, once you've turned on Listen for Hey Siri, the next step is setting up the voice recognition. To do this, Siri will ask you to say a few phrases aloud so it can learn your voice. Just follow the instructions. Now, once Siri recognizes your voices, you're all set to use Siri hands-free. Now, just say, Hey Siri, Hey Siri. Tap on Siri or Hey Siri, and here's that tap on press side button for Siri. Now, as you can see, you can use these features from Siri. If you want to customize Siri's voice, language, or response style, head back to Siri. Now, here on voice, you can choose various options, variety. If you want to choose the language, you can also choose it from here. Basically, you can explore all these features, and that's it. This is how you simply turn on Siri on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.